Welcome to Vancic Maths. We look at equality of complex numbers. We have this example given 1 plus I into bracket squared over 2 minus I is equal to x plus iy. So remember to subscribe and share. So first of all, you'll have to rationalize this part, which is a fraction, so that we can also have in the form of x plus iy. So how do we rationalize? We look at this denominator, we find the conjugate. So the conjugate of the denominator is 2 plus I. So you multiply the conjugate, both the numerator and the denominator. So if you expand for the numerator, we shall have 1 plus I squared will give you 1 plus 2 into 1 times I, then plus I squared, then over 2 minus I. And we know that I squared is the same as negative 1. So you replace this one with negative 1, so you have 1 plus 2i minus 1 over 2 minus I. So negative 1 will cancel with positive 1 and remain with 2i over 2 minus I. So you have 2i over 2 minus I. Now multiply by the conjugate so that we remove the fraction. So you'll have 2 plus I. You'll have 2 plus I. So when you multiply by the conjugate, now we shall have 4i. 2i times I, we have plus 2i squared. But we know our I squared is negative 1. So this one is 4i. Then we have negative 1 times 2, so minus 2. And the denominator is a difference of 2 squares. So you shall get a squared minus b squared. So you'll have 4 squared minus I squared. And we know our I is negative 1. So this one will be 2 squared. So you have 2 squared minus I squared. And we know our I squared is negative 1. So you have 4 minus 1, which is 5. So we shall have 4i minus 2 divided by 5. So 5 divides each term. So we shall have 4 over 5i minus 2 over 5. And this one will be the same as x plus iy. So you compare the real part and the imaginary part. The real part have this negative 2 over 5 and x. So your x will be negative 2 over 5. Then y, compare the imaginary. We have 4 over 5i and iy. So it means y will be 4 over 5.